Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to add video in OmeTv. So if you want to go ahead and try to add a video in your OmeTv to use it as a source or a background onto your OBS, then this is a step-by-step guide for you. So you'll just need to launch the OBS app, and once you're already in here, just click onto the sources in here with this plus icon. So you'll just need to click onto that, and then once you're already in, you should be able to see media source. Click onto media source, then you could go ahead and rename it. So you could add in any name that you want. Click onto OK, and then right after, you should be able to choose onto your local file. Just click onto browse, and then right after, you'll just need to click onto the video that you want to add. So for example, this one, just simply click onto open. You have also the option to loop this, and then you could also adjust the speed and the different settings in here. So just simply click onto OK, and you could go ahead and try to resize it onto your device. And then you could also start the virtual camera if you're actually trying to run this onto different platforms. And that's just basically it onto how to add video in OmeTv. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.